Hello everyone, welcome to Euron, and in this video I'm going to talk about a new batch announcement which is computer vision with real-time development. So let's talk about it. So many people was demanding for this computer vision batch. So where we are not just going to talk about a conventional algorithm which can be used to build a model from a scratch by training on top of our own data set, but kind of a courses where we can try to talk about a real-time application with an existing model and obviously the algorithm which is been used inside a computer vision. Now, keeping that in mind, here is a course for all of you. Computer vision with a real-time development. Now, this course is going to start from 8th of January 2025. So yes, very soon we are going to start this particular batch. Now, class timing is going to be Wednesday and Thursday. Time is going to be 7 p.m. IST to 8:30 p.m. IST. So in a weekend, we are going to take this particular class. Your mentor is going to be Bappy. Bappy is going to take this entire batch. Now, let's talk about a syllabus, guys. Syllabus is a very practical one. So we are trying to entertain minimalistic theoretical part over here. We are trying to focus more and more on practical stuff so that you all will be able to understand, you all will be able to leverage this particular capability, and you all will be able to mention this entire project that we are going to discuss or entire development that we are going to discuss inside your resume. And same thing, you all will be able to discuss even inside your interview. Now, so here we are trying to use a lots of pre-trained models. See guys, so we are living in 2025, right? So 2025 is going to be like in a reality very soon. So in next 4 to 5 days, right? So in 2025, so there are very few people who try to train a model from a scratch. So most of us are going to use a model, a heavy model, which is already been trained on huge data set. And again, there are so many repositories which is available now in a market from where you can try to pick and choose those model as per your task, and then you can try to perform each and everything. So this is something that we are going to replicate in this entire batch. First of all, and not just about a model is completely fine, a basic stuff is completely fine, but we are going to even talk about a cloud, because at the end of the day you have to use a cloud for a training purposes, even for a deployment purposes you will have to use a cloud. So keeping that in a mind, this entire batch we have created just with respect to a practical one. Now, so here we are talking about obviously AWS cloud. We are talking about even a Azure cloud. So whatever services from AWS, whatever services from Azure is required, we have already mentioned inside this particular batch. And we are trying to create, or we are going to create a lot of practical use case, a practical project inside this particular batch. So whether a project with respect to object detection, object segmentation, or maybe object tracking, each and everything you all will be able to find out inside this particular batch. And library wise, so whether it's TensorFlow, PyTorch, ONGNX, everything we are going to discuss in this particular batch. Plus, we are going to talk about a deployment, that how you can try to create your own Dockerized file, or maybe how you can try to leverage Kubernetes services, and then you all will be able to deploy all of these things inside production. Plus, so how you will be able to monitor your entire model, how you will be able to maintain the model so that it can keep on running and keep on serving your clients or purposes for a very long time. And then last but not the least, as we always talk about a project, right, a full scale project in all of our batches. So yes, we are going to discuss about all of these things inside your batches. All of these projects we are going to build in your live class itself. Now, price wise, so this price is a minimal one. Plus, if you have Euron Plus subscription, right, if you have Euron Plus subscription, you are not supposed to buy any of the batches. It's completely fine. So whatever batches we have, whatever batches we are going to bring, each and everything you all will be able to enjoy. Everything means literally everything, without any kind of a if and but condition, you all will be able to enjoy. And as of now, new year special offer is running where we are offering 10% discount on every, like a on this particular subscription. So one student, one subscription, you can go and avail. And motto for this one student, one subscription is very simple. So learning needs is kind of a never ending needs or requirement for all of us nowadays. We have to keep on exploring new things because tech is changing, tech is advancing a lot day by day. So why to go and pay for a batches again and again when we can try to avail all of these things with a single small subscription? And this is where this Euron Plus subscriptions comes into a picture. Plus here Euron course tab, you will be able to find out all the courses, all the paid courses. We have a lot of free courses, we have a lot of free projects, we have a lot of free books as well. But here in a single list, you will be able to find out all the paid batches, its timing, its start date, everything you will be able to find out over here in a single seat. It was a request from many of our students, and keeping that in our mind, so we have fulfilled that request, and here you will be able to find out Euron courses. So what you're waiting for, guys? Hope all of you are going to enjoy, all of you are going to learn a computer vision, right? All of you are going to learn a computer vision, and you are going to build a project, mention inside your resume, and then go for a next job. So with that, thank you so much everyone. See you again in my next video.